I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're dealing with a transfer pending status on Shopify, it can be frustrating, but there are straightforward steps to resolve it. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Shopify link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review transfer details. Go to the transfer section in your Shopify admin and check the details of the pending transfer. Look for any discrepancies in the amount or date that could be causing the hold. Step 3. Contact your bank. If everything looks good on Shopify, reach out to your bank to see if there are any issues on their end. They may have flagged the transaction for some reason. Step 4. Verify your account information. Double check that your Shopify account information is accurate, including your bank account details. Any mismatches can lead to delays. Step 5. Wait for processing. If all else seems fine, sometimes the best course of action is to wait. Transfers can take a few days to process, especially during weekends or holidays. I hope these steps help you get your transfer sorted out quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.